everyone. It is a bit chilly out today. The wind chill is about 20 degrees. So I don't know how long I will work on this fan today, but I want to get at least a little bit of progress done. In the last video, I started facing all of these with my cedar planking. I didn't quite finish it. I had to wait for the boards to dry. It's been about a week. The boards are dry now, so let's go get those and start tacking them on. In case you missed the last video, what I'm doing, I originally was going to leave this white because I liked the contrast. However, you can see this is already getting dirty, so I decided that I'm actually going to face everything in here that is white with these cedar boards also. I think the cedar looks a lot nicer than this white wood does. And so that is what we're working on today. Let's get started. I just finished the one panel that I had not connected to the car. I was trying to debate whether I wanted to take these out to face these, but I think it's going to be easier to just leave them in the car and face them. So I'm going to take off these. I'm going to take off this hardware and go from there. Are you helping mommy? Huh? Are you going to help mommy? where this sweet girl curled up while I'm doing this. What a little cutie pie. Probably nice to be in here hiding from the wind. So my phone died at some point, I'm not sure how much you saw, but I finished getting all of the cedar on this wall, and I got the cedar put up on this wall as well. I think that's probably where I'm gonna stop you guys for this week. I do have a full-time job and I'm also coaching, so weekends are pretty much my only time to work on the van these days. But if you enjoyed, please make sure to like and subscribe before leaving, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!